Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I love the Fanttik Slim V10 mix. Reason number 1 is it charges with USB-C. Second reason, it's very powerful, which we're going to clean up this big mess. But then the third reason is I can convert it, take the vacuum cleaner part off. I got several different nozzles I can put them on here in the back. And now I've got me a really powerful blower. I can convert it. So it's a blower and vacuum all in one. Okay, so it's simple to operate. You're going to press the power button for about 3 seconds, hold it. It starts off in low. Press it again, we're going to go to high. Very powerful. Okay, now I got the crevice tool on. You can get down in all those crevices. All right, turn it off. Now when I'm done, I simply just take this, press that button, and everything's going to come out. But I can also, let's convert it now to a blower. Let's put this blower nozzle on, just rotate it, press the button. Same thing, it's on low. Let's go to high. Really powerful blower. So I really do love this Fanttik Slim V10 mix. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.